Hello everybody, and we're on a frequently asked questions video. I can't remember which number it is, but it will say on the actual video title, of course. So Melody asks, how do I clean, or how do we clean, or how does anybody clean your brushes when you're applying latex to make a latex mould? So if you watch any of the latex videos, there's a few latex mold making videos on the channel, then you'll see what I do, but we'll just condense it into this video just to let people know if they need to know or want to know. So what I don't actually clean my brushes. I find it just a waste of time really, and a bit of a pain in the arse to do. And the reason why is because it gets all lumpy and all that type of thing. You'll know if you've messed around with latex. Some people recommend washing your brushes with warm soapy water, but like I say, I don't bother. But if you want to try and save your brushes at the end, which you probably won't, you can give it a go. I tend to just, when I'm applying the latex layers, I'll just pour the latex into a jam jar like this. So enough latex for your job. And so pretend there's some latex, some liquid latex in this jam jar, and I just put the brush into the latex, obviously to put some onto your paintbrush. Apply the first layer and then just put the brush back into the latex and just let it stand until you're ready for the next layer. Now if your layers are taking a while to dry, then just put a carrier bag over the top until your next layer, and then just keep repeating. You will notice there will be a build up of like little globules of latex on your paintbrush, and just replace your paintbrush when that happens. With me, that tends to happen maybe every 8 to 10, 12 layers perhaps, maybe less, maybe more. And that's about it. So on sort of small moulds, you're going to be putting maybe 15 to 20 layers on, so you might get through 2 or 3 paintbrushes. On the larger moulds with 30 layers on, then obviously you're going to get through more paintbrushes, 4, 5, 6 paintbrushes maybe. But like I say, that's what I do, because the latex only goes dry, it sort of behaves in a different fashion to other materials, like it only dries in very small amounts, hence why you put a layer on. If you find if you try and put too much latex on, it takes forever to set or dry. So just leaving the brush inside the latex between layers and overnight, that'll just protect your paintbrush. You don't need to take it out. And like I say, once the globules will build up eventually, just get rid of that brush and get a new brush and carry on as you were before. This is just my advice, of course. Another reason for doing it this way is I don't want to contaminate the latex. So say if you are using soap and water or any other cleaning materials to clean your brush, even with water, you know, you want to make sure that the brush is dry, ready for the next stage of your mould making. So like I say, this is just easy for me. And you might be asking, what do you do with the brushes at the end of it when they're covered in latex? Well, I can double them up and maybe use them as a stick for supporting plants and things like that, so like gardening sticks and whatever. So you can repurpose them, upcycle them, and Bob's your uncle. So there we are. I think that's pretty much straightforward. And if you've got anything to add, then please let us know in the description, the comments below. And happy moulding everybody. Thanks for watching, hope this helps, and see you soon.